The challenges. I mean, we spoke about this earlier. Peter and I did. You know, in those times, there's a story about you going to Japan to go race Fuji and then getting sent back.
Yeah.
I mean, was it difficult for you guys to go racing during that era overseas, especially with the political climate in South Africa? I mean, how did you guys manage to actually be able to go race?
Well, in my case, especially, because I was racing in America
Yeah.
and in Europe and in every other country. And some of them had to bullshit get in, started.
Really?
And,
Like what kind of bullshit?
Like,
Fake passport?
so
or-
yeah, no, standing and say, I'm touring the country. I didn't know about
Are you
the
there on
race,
holiday
yeah.
type of?
And then once I've done the race, then I've got to get out of there.